How to use Facebook ad campaigns or Facebook ad library for research step by step in this video. So here's step by step guide to discover competitor and industry ads for free. Meta Ads library is a gold mine. So the step 1 will be simply visit the Facebook ads library. Go to this website https facebook.com ads library, choose your country. Under ad category, pick ads for general browsing and search by brand or keyword. Brand page name, example Nike, Canva or Airbnb. The keywords, the product name, industry or the niche you are trying to reach out. Hit enter to browse ads currently running. Step 3 is filter results. Use the left side filter to narrow ads by platform like Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger, then media type, image, video, or carousel, then language, then impression date. Now want viral video ads, choose video only and sort by latest. Step 4 will be analyze the ads here. When looking at an ad, review creative style, design, colors, video edits, ad copy, headline, primary text, etc. Offers like discount, urgency, or value proposition. For landing page, click the CTA to view where it leads. Ask yourself what makes this eye-catching, what problem is it solving, and who is the target audience for you. So this will be done. Step 5 is create a swipe file, take screenshot or save links to the best performing ads for creative information, copyright ideas, offer structures, and many more. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.